Hi guys and welcome back to my channel.
Hi! From a very sad Miriam James and Paul Deepak. Because you wanna tell?
Our engagement broke.
It didn't break, such lies. But it is postponed with curfews here in Bangalore. And our engagement was supposed to be on Saturday, which is the 8th of Jan, but now we've pushed it to 12th of Jan, which is a Wednesday. It's a weekday because Saturday, Sunday is curfew and you can't do much.
But people will not come.
People will not come. It's okay. I mean, for me, it's like a...
No, I mean, whoever values us and whoever we matter to will take the time out and the effort to be there.
Yes. So, but even then we have a lot of things to do because today was the deadline for everything, for my jewelry, for my blouse, for his outfit. Thursday was the deadline. So we have to go pick up my jewelry and all of that. But
hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So basically in a marriage or in an engagement, there are two people involved. And apparently all the attention and the focus has been only on one, and that is Miriam James. People tend to forget that I am also a part of it, and I'm without me there's no engagement, without me there's no marriage. So
without me?
No, but you're anyways getting all the attention. So she has
okay, this is going to sting a little. Okay, like it'll feel like very slight poking. Okay.
So she has graciously agreed to take care of my skin as well, and so she's
I'm just using the Ordinary's AHA BHA peel on him. This is the first time I'm using it on him, so I'm just going to leave it for like 5 minutes and not much. Is it poking? It's fine, it's fine, it's normal. You can react.
Oh no, it's cool.
It is, I know it does.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because he's been complaining from like days that I'm not taking care of his skin and all of that. Honestly, he has everything he needs to take care of his skin, but he's just lazy.
Why are we getting married? If the wife doesn't take care of the husband, then what's the point of being married?
You know, you're going to offend a lot of women saying this.
Well, if you all know the equation Miriam and I share, then...
Yeah, that's the thing. They don't know. They think I'm like, arrogant and you're the down-to-earth dude.
So in the friendship that we have, we kind of joke with each other and pull each other's legs, so that's absolutely fine.
Okay, now so because this is like a chemical peel, we'll have to time it, okay? 5 minutes, not more than that.
Okay.
But you'll have a brand new baby skin.
Okay, can you cover all the places? Because then won't I have the old skin in places where you haven't applied?
Yeah, but you have your beard, so I don't know if that makes...
It's okay, still put it, no.
You've not shaved anytime recently, no?
No.
It'll sting, I'm telling you. I'll just put here, wherever the beard is not growing. Yeah. Stinging? It's fine.
No, it's fine. I'm fine. I'm totally fine. Here.
No, it's okay. It's fine.
Why?
It's okay. This is the first time you're using it. Let's not overdo it.
No, but do it properly at least.
Yes, I know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to set the timer.
Okay, this makes me look very funny.
But is it stinging? Do you feel something?
Very mild, yes. Mild tingling.
5 minutes. Just 5 minutes and we'll finish it.
Okay, so as you can see, I have grey hairs on both the sides. And although I want to maintain my salt and pepper look, I'm not allowed to for the wedding or the engagement. And it's not Miriam who's kind of imposing on that. It's my family. So I will be taking care of that. She gave me this new powder to drink, hair growth powder, so that I maintain my...
No, but I tell you what. So I've been having that for a while now, and then he saw it today and he was like, but then why don't you give me anything? So he fought with me and took it, and he wants to have it because he thinks I'm taking care of my skin and my hair, but I'm not doing anything for him. Right?
True.
Not true. Not true. So while we are waiting, we are going to just play a game of EXO. Mas, I'll start. We just have really fancy things in our house, guys. I win! I always win.
This time I'll be the X and you the O.
This is what happens when a young couple decide to get married and yeah, we're still young. Let's and buy unnecessarily fancy things.
This is not fancy, ma. Piece of wood put together.
Okay.
Kedi pula you are.
You know what? Even if you would have put it there, and even if I would have put it here or here, you still win.
How do I win?
Yeah, see, if I put it here, you'll put it here. Okay, if I put the O here,
you already win
you'll
here.
put this
But
here.
you already win.
Oh yeah. Go wash your face.
Mujad.
So basically, Paul Deepak thought this is going to peel. This is a chemical peel, not like that fancy Fevicol kind of peel. Can you go?
Fevicol. Yeah.
If you all are wondering from where we bought this, when I do a house tour, I will try and find the links to all of this. It's been a while, so I can't really tell you right now where we bought this from, but I will leave, when I do a house tour, I will leave the links to everything. I will find it for you guys and I will leave it in the description box. But just wait for the house tour.
Yeah.
So the chemical peel was a success on his skin. I mean, these boys are just naturally blessed like that. Like, he just naturally has nice skin. So now I'm just, to moisturize his skin, I'm going to use this Dermaweave's moisturizing lotion. It's for dry skin conditions.
Oh, okay. It's in mirror. Yeah, so
I'm just going to apply this all over his skin now.
I should speak about how I feel, no?
Okay, fine.
Yeah, so basically...
You know, the whole world knows what ordinary AHA, BHA does.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. But fine, have your moment.
Okay, this is the first time I'm using it and I still feel a burn which I didn't feel while I had the AHA, BHA on my skin. And yeah, I feel nice. My hair, not my hair, my
nobody cares about what you feel, Paul Deepak.
Yeah, my skin feels nice. It looks nice. I can see that there's a lot of whiteheads which I had on my nose vanish.
You know how you're acting like these kids when mothers are getting them.
I'm not used to this. I don't do this. I don't even wear powder on my face. So
don't show off, okay? Don't make it look like you have a natural beauty.
I'm not making it look like, I'm just...
What can I do? Some people are just so thankless and ungrateful.
Fine, go get married yourself.
That's his new threat. Get married to yourself. But yeah, he has a fairer complexion, so even the slightest spot is very evident on his skin.
Yeah, and there's a spot here. I don't know what this is.
That'll go, that'll go.
What is it?
You have the habit of popping your pimples. You should stop doing that.
It's very satisfactory.
Yeah. I keep telling the whole world not to do it and then you go ahead and do it.
I'm a rebel. Rebel for life.
Do you guys want to meet Oliver?
No.
I think they should. Come, let's go meet Oliver.
No, he'll come here. Wait.
Ani? Anima?
Come here. Come.
Oliver?
Sit. Stay. Okay. Good boy. High five. This leg. This one. The other one.
Oh, you're a star.
No, you're a carrier. Come here. Slowly.
Ma, careful.
Ooh, close.
Why is there like so much mosquito and all of that?
You're in India. And there are mosquitoes everywhere. Come here. Hey, look, the light.